Been spending a lot of time in Code Academy, studying Python. So really haven't had anything that I wanted to share in a video because I didn't want to record my progress in Code Academy and risk having some kind of copyright infringement or anything like that. However, while studying for Linux and playing with Git, which is one of the chapters in the Linux Plus book, I decided to jump on AWS, build a free tier, spin up a VM, which is crazy quick, and then play with installing Git, pulling down a little sample project that I have sitting on GitHub, and seeing how that works. So with that said, let's get going. So we're going to spin up a new image. We'll do Ubuntu. And since I have the free tier, we're going to use this T2 micro. Go ahead and launch this. I can use the keys that I downloaded earlier when I was testing this out. And in a few minutes, this should spin up. In the meantime, let's go over to my GitHub. This is my Python project. I have two simple files in here. So the idea is I'm going to connect this new Ubuntu VM that I just spun up in AWS to this project, pull it down, make an edit, push it back up, see the changes here. And that is now running, so we're going to select that and select connect. We'll copy this, go to our terminal. Paste that connection. I actually need to change this to text because that's how it's saved. Just like that, we're sitting on a VM on the East Coast running on AWS. Let's see how fast our pings to 8.8.8 is. 11 milliseconds compared to I create a new tab and I ping 8.8.8.8, 113 milliseconds from where I'm sitting, and only 11 milliseconds from where the VM is sitting. So we're going to make a directory just to get this off of the home. We'll call it Git. We'll go into Git. Now we need to come over to GitHub and copy our URL for our project. This will allow the VM to connect to it. So git clone should ask me to log in. Helps if you type everything right. So now we're connected. We do a list. We now have our Python folder. Go into that. And then we can see our first.py and our second.py along with our README. Just for the fun of it, let's build a hello project or hello Python file. Future import print we're going to do is print hello. Now if we do a list, we have our hello there. We're going to add that to our Git. Check out our status. We see we have a new file called hello.py. So now let's commit now for that'll be our comment that we committed with, and we should be able to now push this back to GitHub. Sign back in. Since our branch is up to date, come back over here, refresh this page, and look at there. We have our hello.py, our comment, new file for video. Now if we look inside here, we should have just a simple print hello. Let's see if it works on the VM that we spun up. Python, let's try it in 3. Hello. Let's try it in 2. We don't have Python 2 in the AWS VMs of Ubuntu. Apt install Python. Oh, that's pretty fast. Now we up arrow twice. And just like that, we have Python 2 installed. We tested it on Python 3. And we pushed it up to GitHub, all within a matter of a few minutes. Pretty amazing the things you can do with the technology that's out there for free in the cloud. I'm having the intention of getting the Linux Plus, since the new version of it seems a lot more relevant to the systems that are out there today and a lot more modern. I heard it's got more performance-based items in it than the old one did. So while I'm pursuing that, I came across this quick way to spin up a VM and lab some stuff in Linux. And while I'm working on Python on the side, I can keep everything backed up to GitHub. Thanks for watching.